deep. It doesn't look so deep in this little track, but man, I tell you, you can't even see the freaking road. They got one little lane here. Yeesh. It like pulls my truck. Woohoo! Yeehaw! I love videotaping and driving at the same time. I can't even see the shoulder of the road. I think it's over here in the snow pile, but I'm not sure. Yeehaw! My truck is just pulling through this shit. I love it. I could have went to work today. I better not post this on Facebook. Woo! The baby Jesus. Come on, truck. Yay, we're in the clear. Now, see how the main roads are. Woo, they look pretty clear.